Your girl Toby, right? Hey guys, so it's Real Jamaican Foodies and we're back with another video. You have your girl Toby, right? So today we're doing a Q&A video. So before we go right into the video, I just want to take the time out to thank everyone that is supporting my video, that is liking, sharing, commenting, right? I appreciate you guys, gratitude to you, and continue supporting, continue on the journey with us, right? So we're gonna get right into it. So there are a few questions that persons normally ask me when they meet Real Jamaican Foodie. So that is the reason why I have decided to do a video. So we're gonna go right into it. So today we can say you're getting to know moi. Yeah. So have my bag. It's not a lot of questions because, you know, Q&A videos aren't normally long, right? So let's shake it up. All right, guys. I'm gonna pick da-da-dee. All right, this is my first question. Let's put down the bag. All right, guys. So the first question is, what's your worst experience so far? Okay. My worst experience so far would be the Burger King video, because the reason why it's the Burger King video is because when I just entered Burger King and I went in, like the person that was cashing through, she see me with the camera, she run go call her manager and like them stand up. I'm like, I'm not videoing you. I know Jamaicans, like some of the persons, they're a bit weird when they come on to camera, especially when they don't know what you're about, right? So that's my worst experience. So let's dash with a question there, right? So next question, right, is going to be, do you cook? Like, seriously, guys? Of course I cook. Not because I don't do a lot of cooking videos, because that's not really what my channel is about. So I don't cook much, but I do cook. I do enjoy cooking. I love creating different meals and tasting my food and critiquing myself. So yes, I can say I love to cook. So next question. Let's see. What do you want to gain from doing these videos? All right, guys. So what I want to gain from this experience overall is to know more about my country, overall the restaurants, the foods that we have to offer, and also just for somebody to reach out to Real Jamaican Foodie on my Instagram page and ask me, like, where is the best place to have this meal, or where is the best place to do a date night or to chill with friends. That's where I want my channel, that's the level that I want my channel to be. As well as, I definitely love for restaurants to call me up and say, you know, Real Jamaican Foodie, can you come by and do a critique on our food and our meal and our special, you know, the special food and the special meal for the day. So that's what I really want for my channel. So we're gonna show with this. Next question is the most important question. Why did you start this channel? Okay. So why I start this channel was because I was working at a hotel. I was working with guests, and normally I had my guests coming in and asking me like, where is the best place to have Jamaican food? And I realized that I normally give the same places. And I'm like, there are millions of, well, there are hundreds of restaurants in Jamaica that you can get wonderful, delicious, mouth-watering meals. And I didn't know them. And I was like, you know, it would be good if I have a YouTube channel that showcase these places, that I just go around and have meals and tell the taste, tell the price, so that persons could be aware, or persons could like go on YouTube and or Google and check it out, and boom, my video would pop up. So that is the reason why I started this channel. And then I was like, I didn't want to do this alone, so I had to get somebody in on this. So Sash was the next best person because she born the same month, the same day as I. So you know, we have same things. We like food or love food. Yes, so she was the best person. Bye. So guys, fire for these questions. We have, do you like eating food? Like guys, like seriously, like how can you ask that question? Like, of course I love food. Like, food is life. Food is everything. Like, apart from air and going outdoors and all of those stuff, food is my next best friend. Like, and to be honest with you, I normally don't eat. I normally forget to eat, though I love food. So, but I do love eating food. I love the experience. Like, when I'm going on my videos, I just think about what I'm going to have to eat, or what yeah, that was a break. So when I go to a restaurant, I really think about like, what am I gonna eat on that menu? What are they gonna have to, like, you know, to tease me and make me want to try. Like, yeah, so I do love food. So out with that question. More questions. So this one is, what do you dislike the most about doing these restaurants, these restaurant videos? So I must say that what I dislike the most would have to be the stereotyping, especially when you go into these restaurants and they realize that we have an Jamaican accent and we're not American, or we're from Jamaica. They kind of like look you down, or it just kind of, sometimes it's a hassle and I don't really bother with it. And most of all, what I dislike about these videos is that it highlights Jamaica's customer service, especially in our food area, in the restaurants culture. Most persons is like they weren't trained to do customer service. They don't know how to treat persons, or for me, it's just that they treat some persons better and don't treat some persons good. So I'm like, yeah, I hate that. I dislike that. Out with this question. Next question is, come on guys, you're with me, right? You're not sleeping, right? So my next question is, where is Sash? Upon starting our YouTube channel, Sash found out a big news. It was an excited time or exciting time for her. She have been trying, this is her dream, to be a mom. So currently the reason why Sash has been missing from previous videos is because she was carrying a baby, and now the Real Jamaican Foodie baby has been born, right? He is really beautiful, and Sash is really happy, and yes, she well did want to be a mother. So God bless the girl. So as soon as Sash can come out, because you know we're currently having a pandemic, so Sash is willing to take her baby with her. So but we can't take him out now because we have a pandemic. So therefore, that is the reason why she's not on our current videos, because we want to keep our Real Jamaican baby, Real Jamaican Foodie baby safe, you know? Yeah, next question. All right, guys, let me see, guys. This is the last question, right? And let's see. My last question is, do you cook? Like, guys, like really, I have a video. If you haven't watched it as yet, I was preparing coconut tuna. Yes, tin tuna. I have a video of that, so you can check it out. Yes, I love cook. I love cook. Yes, I love trying new dishes. I love cooking and critiquing myself. And you know, from before I start this channel, I have some friends that reach out to me and say, like, Toby, this is something you had always loved doing. Could I always call you and ask you, say, taste this, how it is. So this is something that I've always enjoyed doing. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna throw this in. It's not a question, but apart from being a vlogger, I'm also a virtual assistant. So I do everything that a assistant would do, but I do it virtually. I do it online. I'm also a social media manager. I'm also an upcoming writer. I'm working on a book. So there's a lot about me that, you know, there's a lot to come. There's a lot in store. And I'm hoping to share this with you. I'm hoping to grow with you. And I thank you for joining me on this Q&A. Remember to like this video. Yup. Comment. Yup. Share. Yup. And don't forget to subscribe. Yes, guys. So if you want to be a part of the Real Jamaican Foodies family, you have to subscribe, right? Real Jamaican Foodie on the scene. You know what I mean? I'm out.